Hello everyone, I've got a new diorama in the family from Gfans in a 1/64 scale. I'm going to tell you how to assemble it. Very easy, and what I think about it. Okay, let's have a look. Let's put it right here on the desk. So here you can see there are 3 different dioramas. I've only ordered this one. This one, pretty cool. This one comes with 3 trees, and that's the reason I didn't order it, because the trees are a little bit too plastic. I've choose this one because of these 2 advertising boards. And yeah, look for yourself. Looks pretty cool. It also comes with light. Here we have a battery compartment, and you see what to do. So you have a couple of parts and you have to put them in. And it is very simple. So you've got a hole right here. You got this, and you voila. Only problem I had with this sign right here, this board. So the pins of the board were squares, and you have to put it in a hole that is a circle. Now that's not working, so I took a knife and I make sure that it fits, and then this one broke off, so you have to be careful with that. Put some glue on it, so now it's okay. This one was all right. See, very easy. And the lights, you have to bend the lights in the right direction. Well, if you order it, you will figure it out yourself. Very, very easy. Then you get a couple of stickers and 2 of these blocks, and you can decide what to put on. I choose for the Pepsi and the Coca-Cola, but you can also choose for this Kirin and this Boss right here. Then you got some more posters and some parking stickers. You also have some posters, but these are really small. Let's see if I can do it like this. So we even have a Hot Wheels poster, but it's so small you almost can't see what's on it. Monster, Red Bull. Yes, let's put that vending machine next to it, then you can see how small it is. Can't use it. I had to make it bigger. About the one with the trees, I think the trees looks very fake. Now, I've ordered some trees a couple of weeks ago, and they arrived this week. So this one looks pretty cool. I think this one is not available anymore. I got it on AliExpress. Also ordered this tree from More Art. Here we got another More Art tree, and I do have another one. Where is it? Yeah, here. By the way, this is also a Gfans diorama. Did a review about it on my channel. The Diecast car store. Really cool diorama. And this one also comes with light. Do I have more new stuff? Yes, I have another More Art box diorama, but I'm going to do a review about that one later. Japanese Street. And I also got some new figures from Skilllight. Very good 1/64 figures. Let's see. Let's put it right here. Then I have this girl. And the cool thing is, so, excuse me, you can put the arms up or down. That's pretty handy. Looks a little bit like a zombie girl from up close. But yeah, no legs, so it's perfect for behind the steering wheel. So now the hands are up. Let's see, let's put the hands down. Let's see if she wants to sit in the car. Well, something like this. Looks pretty good, right? There's also a dog in this set. The dog here on the left. should have some more details with paint in my opinion, but overall it's a pretty cool looking dog. And then I have this figure over here, and I have to say this is actually the reason I bought this set, because of this figure. I think it's kind of cool looking when you put it on the roof. It's better if I do it like this. Pretty cool looking figure. So in the future you will see some photos with this figure and the other figures on my Instagram. Do I have something else to show you? Well, yeah, I've got some other vending machines right here. These are also from AliExpress. The Monster vending machine, the Hot Wheels vending machine. Do I have more vending machines? Yes, where it is. I've got another one over there. And I also got a vending machine in the Porsche garage. And oh, this is also a new accessory I got. Here, this one here with the exhaust pipes. Pretty cool looking. And I placed it on this diorama. This diorama, by the way, should be still available on AliExpress. As well as this one. These are from Bellacar, did a review, still available. These two from More Art, not 100% sure. Gfans Diorama, still available. Starbucks coffee from More Art is also still available. Ghostbusters Diorama from Pops, not 100% sure, should be still available somewhere. This one from American Diorama, not 100% sure. Got this one from a friend seller from eBay. Should be still available. This one is still available because I saw it with my own eyes at Tom's Model Cars. And this one I'm not sure. Pretty cool with the UFO. Doesn't come with the UFO, by the way. Mini GT parking lot. Probably still available somewhere. This one with the containers. Still available on AliExpress. Somewhere, don't know where. This one is still available, so today on the AliExpress store. And that tree that comes with another diorama, but I think that one is in a box somewhere. This McDonald's diorama, I'm not 100% sure, but the Hungry Hippie van, the VW van from Marietta The Originals, is now available in store. Do I have more dioramas to show you? No. Here are some of my airplanes. Maybe you are interested in seeing that. Did a review about those a while ago. Did a review about both of these helicopters. Still have to do a review about this F-16 right here. Space Shuttle, did a review about that one. Still have to do a review about this Mars lander from China. And also still have to do a review about this one. I have to do many reviews. But for now, we're going outside and I'm going to show you how to use this diorama to make photos for your Instagram. Very simple. I'm not a pro, but yeah, I'll show you. See you outside. And while I'm out making a photo for my Instagram and show you how to do it, why not check my local store and see if they have something cool? Let's go inside. This is in Cadzand-Bad, and they have a small diecast assortment. Here on the right, I see some monster gems. Hey, that's pretty interesting. Right here, this is Series 21. This is the El Tocoloro. Superman. Son of a digger. How cool is that? Definitely a must-have. Ooh, that is very nice. Check this out. They have the new Majorette Volkswagen The Originals. That is very cool. This is definitely my favorite right here. Yeah, I did a review about it on my channel. I'm very happy I'm pleased that they have this here in my hometown, because this is definitely a must-have set. Awesome. Here's some more Series 21 from the Monster Jam. DHL Express server. This is from yeah, Kingsmart. These are really good, by the way. And I believe they have an opening part here in the back. But this is a very nice Sprinter bus. What is the scale? And you see the price is also really good. Can't see the scale right here. 1/48 scale. They also have the Meteorite Porsche Edition gift pack. They have some Siku. And also some Matchbox 5 packs. Hey, check this out. Autobahn Express. It's still here. And the Blue Highways too. I'm really happy that they have this in my hometown. Okay, now let's go outside and I'll show you how to take a photo with the diorama. Okay, so here we are. I've choose this place because you need a little bit. Oh, that's cool. What's there? Nice rescue plane over there. Awesome. Okay, but we're here. You need a little bit. You can. The parking lot has to stand a little bit higher. You can use the roof of your car or something like this here, or that green thing over there. Doesn't matter as long as it is a little bit higher. Then the reason I choose this spot is because of the buildings in the back. Now I have to do it like this. And I have to focus on the car right here, and then I can make a picture and you will see the result on Instagram. Now I can also put a figure with it. This box, by the way, is very handy. Let's open the box. Ah, so clumsy, dude. There we go. Oh, almost forgot the. Oh, can put it right here. And then we need the figure, the boss guy. Put him right there. And there you go. Now you can make a nice picture with it. Okay, so. Very small lesson of how to make a photo for your Instagram. Very amateuristic, but this is how I do it. Thank you all for watching. Have a very nice day. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you later. Bye.